Okay, we have downloaded the download of Oracle setup file is complete. So before we begin our installation process, um, I would like to take a look at the system requirements a little bit in more detail. So for Windows 32-bit architecture, the requirement of operating system is 32-bit Microsoft Windows operating system. It includes Microsoft Windows Server 2008 and Microsoft Windows 7 Professional, Enterprise, and Ultimate editions. We need network protocols, IPC, Namespipe, SDP, TCP/IP, TCP/IP with SSL. These are all should be supported in your network hardware. We need disk space of 1.5 gigabytes minimum, and here they say 256 megabytes minimum RAM, but I would recommend at least 1 GB of RAM and Microsoft Windows installer, and you can download it from this Microsoft website, http://mstn.microsoft.com. And for 64-bit architecture, you need 64-bit Microsoft Windows excuse me, and Windows Server 2008 64-bit Windows Server, and Windows 7 and Windows 8 Pro and Enterprise Edition, and this will work on Windows 10 as well. Excuse me. Again, you need disk space of 1.5 gigabits minimum, and recommendation for RAM is 256 megabytes, but I would recommend 1 GB of RAM to make things easier, to make things smoother and easier. And again, Microsoft Windows installer, normally it comes with the operating system, and if it is missing, you can download it from mstn.microsoft.com. Okay, in your Windows firewall configurations, you need to open and allow these ports: port number 1521 for Oracle Database Listener, and 2030 Oracle Services for Microsoft Transaction Service, and 8080 for HTTP Transaction Server. But 1521 port should be allowed for communication, and you have to set your firewall settings accordingly. Okay, now we'll start our setup. Double click the setup file. Okay, this is welcome screen. Click next. Accept license agreement. Click next. Okay, next. Okay, here you will enter password. This password will be used for both sys and system database accounts. We'll talk about it later a bit in detail. Click next and click install. This will take a minute or two.